to our coverage. And news of the postponement of the planned swearing in of Raila Odinga as the President of the People's Assembly has sparked outrage among NASA supporters. NASA co-principal Musalia Mudavadi said the new date of swearing in will be announced later. The change of heart by NASA comes only days after the Attorney General, Professor Githu Muigai, termed the planned swearing in as treason, whose penalty under the Kenyan Constitution is death. This comes in the wake of widespread calls for dialogue between Raila Odinga and President Uhuru Kenyatta. The president has, however, categorically dismissed those calls, saying Jubilee will not engage in any political dialogue with NASA, urging the opposition to wait until 2022 to negotiate with Deputy President William Ruto.
I, Raila Amolo Odinga, in full realization of the high calling.
It was highly anticipated that NASA leader Raila Odinga and his deputy Kalonzo Musyoka will be sworn in as President and Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, respectively, on Tuesday. But less than 48 hours to the much-awaited day, NASA has changed tune.
Following extensive internal consultations and engagement with a wide range of national and international interlocutors, the NASA leadership wishes to advise the NASA fraternity and the general public that the swearing in of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as President and Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya and the launch of the People's Assembly scheduled for Tuesday, 12th December have been postponed to a later date.
Without taking any questions, NASA principal Musalia Mudavadi indicated that the move will not change their resolve to ensure that Raila Odinga and Kalonzo Musyoka take over the country's leadership.
We remain fully on course in pursuit of electoral justice. Our resistance of dictatorship is resolute and irreversible. We remind the NASA fraternity to maintain our civic and economic resistance.
But the move does not come as a surprise. There has been piling pressure from the international community and religious leaders on the NASA leadership to shelve their plans to swear in Raila on grounds that it will be unconstitutional.
We are aware that this will be a disappointment to the people of Kenya who are eagerly waiting for this occasion. We wish to assure them that our resolve has not changed.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has already ruled out any engagements with the NASA leaders, urging the opposition to stop politicking and spearhead development.
Lakini hii ya kuongea masiasa, hii igojee 2022, mtaongea na William, mimi nitakuwa naenda nyumbani.
Sasa tuko na serikali, tuko na viongozi, na tuko na agenda ya kupeleka taifa letu mbele.
Any national dialogue must have electoral justice on the agenda. We are not interested in sharing illegitimate dictatorial power.
The swearing in was to be held in Mombasa County. And after postponing the much-awaited swearing in of NASA leader Raila Odinga, the rallying call to NASA supporters is to remain calm even as they wait for new dates to swear in Raila Odinga. Chris Dairo, KTN News at the Okoa Kenya offices in Nairobi.
All right, so that is going to be forming our discussion that I will be having in a matter of minutes. But before that,